All right, I'm gonna start up my dirt bike now. Here goes. A dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider. Win. Yeah. Oh no. I never bothered with what my friends did. I just wanted to be a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider.